house. Yeah. And you, I want to just see what who's on there.
I am invited to a Thai traditional house. For me, that house is a very big house because for me, it's much rules, just like that.
Kisha, what class are you now?
7
Thank you very much for you coming to example Ataka traditional house. Have you ever visited Ataka traditional house?
I'm not visiting. I don't even visit because my mother is not let me.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. What about the Lake Tempe? Have you visited Lake Tempe? Or
What is
watching
visit?
movie?
This the movie visit I forget.
Okay.
Panakot Mall, Trans Mall.
For your mother can speak English well clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's why. Not yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Hobbies.
I forgot that. Okay. Okay, congratulations. Yeah, okay. Thank you for have many experience. Yeah. For example, the tuition, to manage to English well. I hope sometimes you go abroad with your mother.
Baby, don't touch baby, don't touch baby. Because they don't eat Indonesia.
Not in Indonesia, yeah, that's right. The one they made English at your house. Yeah. For that program?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for
I'm so glad for this program. Thank you
yes.
so
Oh,
much.
thank you so much. Yeah.
So, 20 asena ulat telu, si 10 telunatu asena pulona asena.
Serah. Aga kayak yang rotu
Canjian imaja ulan.
Ini kan mak janji.
Latan di Bali, Laon, di Towajowe.
Ya, makasih.
Dua Sarah, bulan 70,
Oke. Makasih. Sementara itu, jadi kita sekolah sadari dini ya, sekolah bisnis internasional.
Kalau dari segi MGMP Bahasa Daerah, kami satu kegiatan sedari dini karena mengingat kita sebagai budaya, apalagi kita budaya khusus bahasa Bugis di Kabupaten Wajo, kami sangat mendukung dan sangat memberikan apresiasi kegiatan untuk sedari dini di Kabupaten.
Setelah ini kerjasamanya dengan MGMP Seni Budaya.
Untuk kerjasamanya nanti untuk NGMP Seni Budaya, mungkin alangkah baiknya dari program-program kerja dari sedari dini nanti ini kita bisa menyampaikan atau memberikan koordinasi langsung sama NGMP Bahasa Daerah dan NGMP Bahasa Seni Budaya agar kegiatan itu bisa juga diprogramkan nanti di MGMP-nya. Kemudian dari MGMP nanti bisa disalurkan ke guru-guru mapelnya untuk disampaikan supaya nanti pembelajarannya di sekolah bisa disesuaikan juga sesuai dengan budaya lokal yang ada di Wajo.
Terima kasih atas supportnya sebagai kegiatan kita ini, yaitu saat ini berjalan dengan baik dan menjadi contoh di sekolah-sekolah ini. Khususnya terima kasih atas dukungan dan partisipasinya.
Terima kasih banyak.
Actually, this program, Ariel Sadari Dini, is a new program and held by Culture and Education and Culture Office in Wajo. And before it has been launched for a month ago maybe, and before that launch, the office has held an interview for all of the students in Sengkang, and finally the result is all of the schools, some of schools in Wajo, we have some students who passed the interview, and especially for my students, we have for about 15 until 16 who passed in this program. And of course, we do really hope that this program will improve and increase our students' knowledge and ability, not only about the culture, our own culture in Wajo, but also their speaking skills, listening, and also another skills in English, of course.
Ya, oke.
Welcome, sir.
Oke.